The most effective massage technique meant for edema resolution is the lymphatic drainage massage. The technique is done simply by squeezing the muscles at the edematous area with the fingers, web space of the hand, and draining the fluid towards the heart. The technique is more effective when it is combined with Rice method and an electrical stimulation type called Faradism under pressure, as well as some specialized exercises such as ankle pumps. Muscular pumps exerts further pumping action on lymphatic ducts to facilitate fluid drainage. In most of the cases where movement becomes very limited, due to muscle weakness, lymphatic system works poorly. As a result, most of the body fluids tend to accumulate in the distal parts of the body, commonly in the hand and feet. In cases like this, the lymphatic drainage massage coupled with other specialized techniques such as Rice method, Faradism under pressure will be helpful to minimize pain and facilitate fluid flow to reduce the retention of fluid at the area. As an adjunct treatment, it is important not to skip this technique as a therapist whenever you are handling a case like this. Remember to spend time with your patient and apply this lymphatic drainage massage technique. Massage with an analgesic gel in case patient feels pain in addition. However, use shea butter when there is no pain to avoid friction. In case there is pain, you can apply ice block for about 10 minutes before commencing the massage therapy. Remember to ask the patient to put the part on pillows at night to elevate the section. This will facilitate drainage, as force of gravity acts on the part being elevated. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe, like this video, put on your notification bell, and more importantly, share this video. Bye!